Bienvenidos todos a esta clase para practicar preguntas y respuestas de la inspección. Vamos a tomar algunas preguntas de la primera parte de la inspección. Greet and interview the driver. Saludar y entrevistar al operador. Let's begin with vocabulary, specifically nouns. The first one is hour, 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 hours, hours, year, year, years, driver, conductor, today, hoy, tomorrow, mañana, yesterday, ayer. Let's continue with vocabulary adjectives. Near, cerca, near, far, lejos, far, old, viejo, old, much, mucho, like in much information, much diesel, many, muchos, like in many drivers, many problems. Now let's cover vocabulary information words. We will cover two specific ones, how and how long. How, ¿cómo? Like in how do you pay for fuel? ¿Cómo pagas por el combustible? How are you? ¿Cómo estás? We can also add an adjective to how. For example, how near, how far, how many, and how much. Mientras usemos el how por separado, lo usamos para decir cómo. Cuando agregamos un adjetivo, lo convertimos en cuánto, cuánto cerca, cuánto lejos, cuántos y cuánto. How near, how far, how many, how much. Now, for how long, we will understand cuánto tiempo. For example, how long have you been working today? How long have you been a driver? How long have you been driving for your company? How long have you been working today? ¿Cuánto tiempo has estado trabajando el día de hoy? How long have you been a driver? ¿Cuánto tiempo has sido operador? How long have you been driving for your company? ¿Cuánto tiempo has manejado para tu compañía? Verbs used in our Q&A. To be, to have, to drive, to work. Ser o estar, tener, manejar, trabajar. First, we have the simple form. Drive, manejar, conducir. The simple form. Work, trabajar. The simple form. Be, ser o estar. The simple form. Have, tener. We can also have the ER ending. Driver. Driver comes from drive y significa operador. Driver, operador. Worker comes from work with ER ending y significa trabajador. Work, worker, trabajador. Now, gerund form, driving with ing ending. Driving comes from drive, manejando, conduciendo. Working, ing ending. Working comes from work, significa trabajando. Being, again, being, being, ing form. Being comes from be, siendo o estando. Having, ing ending. Having comes from have, having, significa teniendo. Our last form of the verb, past participle, driven, manejado, conducido, worked, trabajado, been, sido o estado, had, tenido. So we have four forms of the verb. Simple form, gerund, past participle, and the er ending. We will be using the present perfect tense in our questions today. Now, the present perfect tense uses an auxiliary verb and a main verb. For auxiliary verb, we are going to use the verb to have for the present perfect. The main verb is going to be a past participle. For example, like driven, worked, been, manejado o conducido, trabajado, sido o estado. Now, we can have for the present perfect tense an affirmative statement, affirmative. I have driven for 2 hours. Here you have the auxiliary have, the past participle driven. I have driven for 2 hours. Yo he manejado por 2 horas. Or you can also have the negative form. The negative form. Here you have the negative form. Again, you have the auxiliary verb haven't and the past participle worked. I haven't worked for more than 8 hours. Yo no he trabajado por más de 8 horas. And you can also have questions. Questions with the present perfect. Have you been to Houston? Again, auxiliary verb have, past participle been. Have you been to Houston? ¿Has tú estado en Houston? How long have you been a driver? Again, we have the auxiliary verb have and the past participle been. How long have you been a driver? ¿Cuánto tiempo has tú sido un operador? Entonces, el verbo auxiliar have para el pasado, para el presente perfecto, es el equivalente en español al he. Yo he, tú has, él ha, como verbo auxiliar. Nosotros hemos, ustedes han, ellos han. Por eso se traduce, ¿has tú estado en Houston? ¿Has tú estado en Houston? ¿Cuánto tiempo has tú sido un operador? Let's begin our practice for our Q&A or questions and answers from the roadside inspection. Empecemos nuestra práctica de preguntas y respuestas de la inspección. We have three specific questions. First one, how long have you been a driver? How long have you been a driver? Here, to answer this question, you need to answer with your work experience. They're basically asking you for your work experience. How long have you been a driver? For example, 10 years driving. How long have you been driving today? How long have you been driving today? For these questions, you are going to answer with the time that you have driven that day. For example, for 5 hours. How long have you been driving today? For 5 hours. How long have you been driving for your company? For these questions, you will answer with the time that you're working with your company. Example, 2 years. So when you hear the question, how long have you been a driver? The critical word here is driver. Is your work experience 10 years? In this other question, how long have you been driving today? The critical word is driving, manejando. Today, el día de hoy. La respuesta será por 5 horas. For the next question, how long have you been driving for your company? The critical words is driving, manejando, and company, compañía, tu compañía. In this case would be 2 years. So you need to listen for the specific words that are going to help you understand the question and to figure out the answer more easily. Debemos poner atención a las palabras claves que nos dirán el significado de la pregunta y nos ayudarán a responder con más rapidez. Por ejemplo, driver, operador, driving, manejando, today, el día de hoy, driving for your company, manejando para tu compañía. Listening exercise. Driver, driver, driving today, driving today, driving for your company, driving for your company. How long have you been a driver? En esta pregunta, been significa sido un operador. ¿Cuánto tiempo has sido un operador? How long have you been a driver? En esta otra pregunta, been significa estado. ¿Cuánto tiempo has estado manejando el día de hoy? How long have you been driving today? En la última pregunta, been significa estado. ¿Cuánto tiempo has estado manejando para tu compañía? How long have you been driving for your company? How long have you been a driver? How long have you been driving today? How long have you been driving for your company? Let's continue Practicing questions and answers. First question. How long have you been a driver? For 10 years. How long have you been a driver? 10 years. How long have you been driving today? For 5 hours. How long have you been driving today? For 5 hours. How long have you been driving for your company? For 2 years. How long have you been driving for your company? For 2 years. Practice your answers. Please answer every question. First question. How long have you been a driver? Second question. How long have you been driving today? Third question. How long have you been driving for your company? De esta forma terminamos nuestra clase. Espero que haya sido de su agrado y que les haya ayudado a aprender un poquito más. Les damos las gracias por su participación. Por último, quiero comentarles que el material de esta clase fue tomado del curso básico de inglés para operadores. Que pasen muy buenas noches.